Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the one more connection for columns. Here, it's the option called connection, and you can see column slice connection. You can see here move column slice, move column slice. Check for the description. You can read it first. Just place the mouse cursor. You can see description. Columns are connected by the slice. How to connect the two columns? Column slice command. That we need two columns. So here already ground floor the column is appearing. We need the column for first floor. Have select the column and make it into copy paste. Here it's the option called copy to clipboard. Select it, paste, align to selected level. आप इधर देख सकते हैं एक और कॉलम क्रिएट कर चुका हूँ। फिर हम लोगों को कॉलम का बीचों बीच कनेक्शन प्रोवाइड करना है। ठीक है, इस कनेक्शन को कैसे करेंगे? अभी हम लोग कनेक्शन में जाएंगे। गो टू कनेक्शन। Here's the option called move column slice command and select the column and second one. Now it's not possible. Select the column, control, select the another column, select the column 6, then press enter. Now you can see connections here. See in connection are applied without any error. देख सकते हैं इधर कनेक्ट हो चुका है। मैं रिपीट करूंगा। Again I will delete it. Create a column first. Column. Here's the option called copy to clip paste. Level 3. Again go to connect. Column slice. Select the two columns and enter. Here you can see the columns slice. Hope you understand guys for this particular command. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. Thanks for your support. We are the families now. So support my. Thank you. Thank you so much.